Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and the other day I made with you guys some dried flowered little paintings, it's watercolor paintings with some scroll stamps on top. And I asked in the comment if you guys would comment down below and want to know how I make a journaling card out of them. And you guys, thank you so much, responded and gave me some comments, and I really appreciate it. So here we go. All right, so now you just got your, I'll put the link down below of how I did these. And yeah, let's see. And if I forget, remind me. Okay, so let's go ahead and these aren't the ones I did on the video. I have the other ones pressing that I did on the video with you guys, but this one I had pressed better. It's got a good press to it, so I figured I'd show this one. Okay, so I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out your craft supplies and crafting along with me. Let's see, I just gotta make sure the tape, I do it the right way here. It kind of rips the paper a little, but I think that gives it kind of a cool effect. You just gotta remember which way you do your paper or your tape. There you go. And I think it just gives it a cool border. I mean, look at that. That's so fun. It's so much fun. So I'm hoping, I can't wait, you know, for spring. Or it is spring, but, you know, more flowers and fun things. I'm going to get some more pansies for sure. I love having pansies. And doing some more dried flowers with you guys, because these are fun to do. And I want to definitely take some scans of this and have it so I can do other little projects and stuff with them. But yeah. Okay, see, I really love how it gives the, I guess what is it, like a ripped edge, or is it like a deckled edge with paper? So that's why I do the tape too, because it really just is cool. It gives it a really cool effect. Okay. So there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and do this in a time lapse and cut them all out. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut out all the pieces here. So these are the ones I cut out from the originals. Then I went and scanned them, and pretty comparable. Isn't that awesome? So if you make something that you really like, and it's yours, you made it, you know, and stuff, and you really want to keep it, just scan it off in your printer and keep it. I put it on sticker paper. I have like a, you know, big sheets of like label sheets. So I would go ahead and print it on that. And then it's easy when I want to just take it and, you know, and stick it over, because I'm going to stick it over here on the manila folder and make a journal card with it. So I'll just take it, stick it down, and it's ready to go. So that's definitely something you can do. And instead of using your originals and then having to, you know, make the same thing over and over, you could just have these, keep these in a safe place, and yeah, that's a good little thing to do. So I also wanted to tell you guys, these are the strips after we took the tape off, and then all these little paint paper strips are nice to keep. You can go ahead and do some cool painting on them and stuff and use them in your journals. You can use it, you know, if you secure it up or something, or do a belly band with it, or use it in collage is a great idea, like a masterboard or something. And yeah, so keep these little watercolor papers, because they would be great for stuff like that. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys that. So, and then I want to tell you guys that I went ahead and just scanned it off, and I got a couple of pieces I want to work with here today. Let's go ahead and do the journaling card first. So I just got a manila folder here, and I avocado dyed it. And I think I want this part to show I think I put tea in there too, so some of the tea stuff got on there, but it doesn't really flake off. So that's all I'm doing is just taking a manila folder, and if you were using the originals from the paint paper, it's thicker, so you wouldn't have to stick it on anything. You could just have it, you know, you can even put glue a piece of paper on the back if you want, just for, you know, journaling space, or leave it open like that, and then it could be a, you know, perfect journaling spot and stuff. So however you want to do it. But for this, because I just, you know, did it on some sticker label, it's pretty thin. So I'm gonna just go ahead and stick this down. And I'll trim the bottom. I just wanted to leave a little piece so I can unstick it, because man, if you trim it right to the edge and then try to peel it, it's just a pain in the butt. So I figured I'd do that, and then voila. I like to make things easy on myself here. Let's do this right here. And I just stick it down. I'm not even going to try to line it up. I'll just cut around it. There we go. I mean, isn't that fun? Easy squeeze. Okay. I like easy. And then I'm just going to cut around it. Yeah, and then I could just, you know, make tons of journaling cards to put into journals and stuff that I'm making, and just reuse my little stickers. And it's my original art that I have on a sticker. So I just thought that would be fun to share with you guys. I like to do that. And let's go ahead and corner chomp it here. So I like to give you guys options. Or use your original, you know? Keep making some more, have fun. Do what you like to do. And vintage photo is what I'm using. And I'm just going to ink that around a little bit. So I got that done. And what I'm going to do is just take my Crocodile here and use the 3/16. I'll pop a hole in it. I gotta make my hole a little bigger because my eyelets are a little bigger. Not sure why. Ooh, I wonder if that would be pretty. Do that color. That would. There we go. So I onion dyed this, I'm pretty sure. It looks like onion dyed. I like to dye my laces and stuff, and I just thought that would be pretty. I mean, you can even take it and put some down here with it if you want. But then that makes it kind of hard to put it in a pocket. If you want to put it in a pocket, then you have that. But I was just going to use it as a top. Just a tie. Let's see if it works. It should work. Yeah, let's see. I like to cut it so where it's not flapping over like that. See how it flaps over? I like to cut it where it's sticking up. Just a preference. You can have it flap over if you want to. However you want to do it. There is no wrong or right. So there we go. Journal card. Fun little journal card from our artwork that we made. And I wanted to do something real quick here with you guys. Because you could do something else with these. So we got a journal card. You could also do a thank you card or a greeting card or a, you know, whichever. I am super excited. I woke up to a sale on my Etsy shop. Somebody bought my rooster journal. So I am super excited about that. It's going to a fun, good home. And I have a tutorial. I have a playlist of making of the rooster journal. So I got a whole playlist. You guys come check it out. I'll try to remember to post it on here, but it's in my playlists. If you go, you know, to my home page and just go to playlist, it's the rooster journal. And I show you guys step by step how I made it, you know, from the beginning. And yeah, I'm so excited. So thank you so much for purchasing it. It made my day. I mean, it made, you know, made my whole year. I was so excited because I had so much fun making this one. And I would like to make her a thank you card to put into the journal. So let's move this over here. Try not to get paint or nothing on it. And I went ahead and cut this one out. And this is just a card stock I had in here. Some card stock. And I want to go ahead and I don't like what's on the back of that. So I got a bunch of them. I got them at a Goodwill, because you can get oh my goodness, you can get like a whole stack of like brand new cards and different things. Like if you look at through Goodwill and stuff, they have like really good stuff that you can go through, like a grab bag of cardstock stuff, and you can always take your own artwork or do something cool and do a little cover up, you know. So that's what I'm going to do now, is just go ahead and I'm going to cover this around it and probably do a little trimming and trim it down, and then I have a little thank you card that I can handwrite and put into my journal for her. So I just want to show you guys that too, that you can, you know, you can even take your original one and glue it down and do the same thing, or do some sewing, which I think I probably will. I'm going to go ahead and I'll put it down, and then I'll do some fun stitching around it and stuff. So yeah, so I was excited to wake up to that today, and I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you love it if you're watching this. Okay, let's see. So I'm just going to line this up. And I want to make sure to line it up to the edge here because I can't cut that part. So this might be tricky. Okay. There, I think I got it good. And it's so much, see how easy that is when you just have a sticker? You just, boop, it's ready to go. It's already ready already. There we go. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim it. Sometimes my trimmer works for me. Sometimes it doesn't. So let's see what kind of mood it's. There we go. So then it just takes it and squishes it, but that kind of gives it a deckled look at edge. So let's see. Seems to be there. And then I just cut it down to size. Voila. So there, that is definitely another option you can do, is make cards with it, with your fun little paint watercolors that we did with the dried flowers. And like I said, I'll put that video down below if I hopefully remember. But it's my dry flower watercolor video. And yeah. I'm just going to get this inked up. And I will go to the sewing machine really quick and sew around it and show you guys. So you could do all kinds of things. So I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and got it sewn all the way around it. Like that. So that's fun. So if she wants, she can go ahead and just, you know, cut it out or make a journaling card with it or something, because I'll go ahead and write over here, and then she could do a fun journaling card or something with it. So I thought that would be kind of fun. And we got our little journal card too. And you can do sewing around this too. And yeah, because that could be fun. Just do kind of the same thing and just do some zigzag around it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. If you liked it, please hit the like button. It helps me so much. It gets my video out there more for other people to see. And if you could, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. Keep on crafting.